Dear friends, welcome back. Today we will see IntelliJ IDE. Till now we have seen BlueJ, NetBeans and Eclipse IDEs in the previous classes. Today I will introduce IntelliJ IDE. IntelliJ IDE is commonly used for Kotlin programming language. It is not meant for Java, but we can work on Java very easily by using IntelliJ IDE. JetBrains is a company which is of Russia and IntelliJ is developed by JetBrains. And today I will give demonstration on IntelliJ IDE, how to use that IntelliJ IDE and how to install it on your system. First, double click on Google Chrome and then type IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition. Then it shows download IntelliJ IDEA. Click on it. Then it shows the IntelliJ page and there are two editions, Ultimate and Community editions, and even for Windows, Mac and Linux. And Ultimate edition is a trial version which is for only 30 days and you have to purchase it to work on that Ultimate. And the Community edition, it is a open source. Just click on the download to download the IntelliJ IDEA. Now it's downloading. You can see on the screen. After the download, click on the arrow key which is on the side and click the show in folder. Then it shows the download folder and then click on the install setup file. Click on the install setup file. Double click it. Okay, then click on the next button. Then even you can change the path to install, but we will keep as it is. Presently it is in C:program files. We will keep as it is and we will click on next button. And when you click on the next, it will show the second page. In that you can select the association files. Maybe for Java and for Kotlin there will be .java and .kt. Click on the checkbox for Java and KT and then click on the next button. Even you can download the runtime environment. It's not necessary now. Just click on the next button. And then it shows the installation. So it's presently the installation is going on. And when the installation is over, then click on the finish button. And when you click finish, it will show the icon on the desktop. Just see on the screen, IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition. Just double click on it to open IntelliJ IDE on your screen or on your monitor. Okay, you can see the starting page, IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition 2020.1. Now it's opening slowly and it is uploading some plugins related to IntelliJ. And once it is uploaded, then you can see the screen, select file, new project. And when you select file, new project, it will ask for the project file name. And even you have to select the JDK. Presently the JDK 14 is there on my system. Okay, click the OK button or cancel. Okay, cancel. Then click the next. Then it will ask for the project name. Type the project name and even you have to select the project location. Okay, presently it is in C drive. We will change it to D drive. By that advantage is, even though if the Windows is corrupted, we will get all the program files of Java. Now you can take this window or new window. This window means the same window we can use to work. New window means again the fresh page will be opened. Okay, now the fresh page is opened with Java example. You can see. Now click on the Java example and in that click on SRC. Then right click on it, select new and then class, Java class. Then you have to type the class name. Okay, we will type one class name, math function. Then we will click on class. Then it opens with public class math functions. Okay, the class is opened and in that we can type the main function. Just public class main function, then press enter, then public static void main string args, then okay parenthesis, then press the enter, then curly, then you can type the command system.out.println and then take hello Java from IntelliJ. Then click the run button which is in the margin. Then it runs the Java program and it shows the console window at the bottom. Just observe it. Okay, now you can see hello Java from IntelliJ in the console window. The same way, we will include one more statement, system.out.println. I will add one more statement, okay, in double quotes. I will take math function, math.max. I will take two numbers to find the maximum of those two numbers. And once again we will run by clicking the run button. Okay, now you can see the result in the console window. It clears the screen, clears the console window and it shows the output. Once again you can see hello Java from IntelliJ and then the maximum number is 67. Okay, so in this way IntelliJ is very smart to work with, and in the next class I will take Java examples on the IntelliJ IDE. That means IntelliJ IDE is commonly used for Kotlin programming language, and as you know, presently the Kotlin is more famous compared to all other languages. Nowadays Kotlin is used as a base for the app development, and maybe you know presently the Google uses Kotlin as a base language for the app development. Nearly 1000 apps on the mobile are using Kotlin programming language. So that's why learning IntelliJ is important. Thank you friends. Share with your friends. Goodbye.